Right, the job for today is to clear out this little bit of space here so I can put all the rubbish and stuff from the rest of the plot onto here, and then we can deal with it. As I'm clearing stuff out, I'm finding all sorts of weird and wacky stuff, like a huge metal pipe. Don't know what it's doing on the allotment. There's a little crucifix there with a bit of plastic around it, so I hope it's part of a polytunnel or something rather than somebody being buried under it. Some things are coming out with roots that look viable, and some things are coming up which actually look like live roots. I have no idea what they are, so I'm not chucking that in the compost bin. It's all going to get burnt. A lot of it is coming off by the roots, but it's got moss and all sorts on there, and I don't know what's viable, so burning the lot. It just looks dead, and then you get to the bottom of the root and it's just coming back, so strimming just would not have done anything, because if you just trim them, just clear off the dead wood and give the new shoots room to grow. So these have got to be pulled out by the roots. Right, well, I've roughly cleared an area about 5 meters by 10 meters here. I have a big pile of stuff to burn, but at least I've got a bit of space cleared. I feel as though I've made some progress.